Yes, I'm happy to show you that software is getting more and more important in scientific processes. For example, consider a special device you have for measuring some data, like a microscope or telescope or special heart rate monitor for persons. You have to collect the data from this device that needs software. You have to read it out, store it somewhere, maybe transform it, get rid of wrong measurements or false measurements, then analyze it using some statistical packages, for example, with some scripts. And in the end, you want to present it in a paper or in a presentation using some other software to help you with that task. That is kind of important to keep those pieces of scripts and software and the execution environment for those things, because the software will not be able to be run in 5 years' time, for example. And we would like to raise the awareness that these tools are important for your scientific work, your scientific success, and discuss this with you. The issue is that software is kind of evolving very fast. The libraries evolve, your tools which you use evolve also very fast. And in a short time, or maybe at least in a couple of years, it's kind of impossible to replicate your findings without getting back to the execution environments you had when you did your experiments with your data and collect all the data, transformed it, and so on. And we would like to point your attention to this aspect. There are concepts available to store those software components, scripts, workflows, etc., together with the research data. And but that can also be very specific for your discipline or subdiscipline of your field. And we would like to discuss the requirements which are coming from your research field for this kind of infrastructure, that we are able to support your work also in the long run, replicate the results in a decent way, and come up with a better credibility of your scientific work in the long run as well. Yeah, I'm looking forward to visit those leisure spots in Berlin, which are created in the special environment of Berlin during the last couple of decades. One is the Gleisdreieck in Berlin, which has been a spot of train traffic and is now converted into a very green area where people can enjoy and relax, and families are around. And this is a very nice place in Berlin, and I'm looking forward to have a look there and stroll around, relaxing and thinking about software.